Question 1. What are the advantages and disadvantages of forecasting? Answer. The advantages of forecasting are 1. Gaining valuable insight, 2. Learning from past mistakes, 3. Decreasing the life cycle costs, 4. Establishing a new business, 5. Formulating plans, 6. Estimating financial needs, 7. Facilitating managerial decision. The disadvantages of forecasting are 1. Forecasts are never 100% accurate, 2. It can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. 3. It can also be costly. 4. Forecasting can be dangerous. 5. Not every situation can be predicted. 6. Financial forecasting inefficiencies and lack of data credibility. Question 2. Give some examples of observational study. Answer. Some examples of observational study are as follows: 1. Animals in their natural environment, 2. Human use of a specific company's products or services, 3. Erosion or natural movement of land, 4. Animals at zoo, 5. Humans being screened for a particular medical condition, such as cancer, 6. Natural disasters such as cyclones, hurricanes, etc. Question 3. Explain the two types observational studies. Answer. Observation is a way of collecting data by watching behavior patterns, habits, events, or noting physical characteristics in their natural setting. Observations can be overt, where everyone knows that they are being observed, or covert, no one knows they are being observed and the observer is kept out of sight. The two types of observational studies are as follows. 1. Direct observation. In this type of observation, the information is collected using sensory organs. Through direct observation, we can document activities, habits, and physical aspects of a situation without depending on people's willingness or ability to respond correctly to questions. 2. Indirect observation. In this type of observation, some data related to past behavior or habits is used to infer what occurred during an event. Question 4. What are the advantages and disadvantages of participant observation? Answer. The advantages of participant observation are as follows. 1. Some of the variables can be controlled by you by being part of the natural environment. 2. Despite the fact that participants are aware you are part of the study, you can still observe them in their natural environment. 3. By using this observation method, you can prevent incorrect self-reporting of data. The disadvantages of participant observation are as follows. 1. It can be difficult to take notes openly as a market researcher without blowing your cover. 2. If you can't take notes openly, you will have to depend on memory or note-taking, and memory can sometimes be faulty. 3. If a researcher becomes overly involved in the research, he or she may lose objectivity. This could threaten the validity of the study. Question 5. What can and cannot be forecasted? Answer. Forecasting of events can be done accurately if there is enough historical data and strong model predictors. Also, the predictability of an event or a quality depends on many factors like 1. Our understanding of the factors that contribute to it, 2. Volume of data available, 3. Whether the forecasts can have an impact on the things we are trying to forecasting. But in situations where we have huge amount of data but limited understanding of the elements that influence the entity, then the forecasting may not be done properly and its accuracy may not be accurate. Also, in many situations of natural disasters like a forest fire cannot be forecasted accurately.